made me feel so crazy, thinking you'd be true to me, yeah.